Welcome to Royal Vibes. A court in Florida has set a date for the trial of Meghan Markle against her sister Samantha Markle, which is declaring her half-sister lied concerning her upbringing and her explosive conversation with Oprah Winfrey. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe so you never miss any future updates on the royal. A judge has set a day for a trial in the lawful fight between Meghan Markle and also her half-sister Samantha Markle. Meghan is being filed a claim against by her family member that implicates her of existing about her childhood in an eruptive meeting with Oprah Winfrey and claims the Duchess of Sussex defamed her by telling untruths concerning her as well as her household. However, Meghan's legal representatives countered and also rejected she hinged on the eruptive chat about maturing a just kid. Currently, a judge in Florida has set a trial date for October 2, 2023, with the trial lasting no more than 5 days must they fail to work out the issue throughout mediation. They must agree on a conciliator by the end of September and also complete discovery by might. Nevertheless, Judge Charlene Edwards Honeywell wants both sides to swiftly make entries to dissuade wasteful pretrial tasks. Samantha is looking for $75,000, $56,500, from her half-sister and has demanded a trial by court for the case. According to Samantha, who shares the exact same father as the previous starlet, Meghan's cloths to royalty story is false. She asserts she made details of her background to the royal family, the media and also during TV meetings. Samantha also charges her half-sibling of launching a deliberate campaign to damage her as well as her papa's online reputation. Nevertheless, in documents submitted to a court in Florida last month, Meghan's attorneys suggested that her statement regarding maturing a just child was not implied to be objective fact yet rather a subjective declaration of her very own feelings. They add that her description of growing up as an only youngster cannot be incorrect because it is a book instance of a subjective statement of how a person feels concerning their youth and relocated to reject the situation. The documents state, complainant, Samantha, first asserts that she can disprove that Meghan grew up as an only kid. But this understanding is totally unfalsifiable. It is difficult to imagine an extra individual and subjective sensation than exactly how one cites their own youth. Moreover, plaintiff's resistance entirely overlooks the context of the declaration where Ms. Winfrey asked Meghan regarding her relationship with complainant. Meghan's action was certainly not implied to be a statement of fact that she had no hereditary siblings or half-siblings. Instead, it was a book example of a subjective declaration concerning how a person feels regarding her childhood. Previously, a lawyer acting on part of Meghan branded the legal action baseless as well as unreasonable, adding they would certainly offer it the minimum attention required. Her attorney Michael said, "This baseless as well as ridiculous suit is simply a continuation of a pattern of disturbing behavior. We will offer it the minimum interest required, which is all it deserves." Royal Prince Harry as well as Meghan Markle are getting ready for an additional trip to the UK following month. The couple's return, which will certainly likewise involve taking a trip to Germany, will certainly see them pay check-outs to charities that are close to their hearts. One occasion that the Sussexes will attend on their travels is the Well Child Honours in London on September 8. Harry will talk at the event as he has been a customer of the Well Child charity, which assists ill children, for many years. And at the very same awards event 3 years earlier, Harry became emotional and also broke down on Faze, just months after Meghan gave birth to their very first kid Archie. He told guests at the honors, "It has actually been over a year considering that I first involved these awards and also yearly they never stop working to stun and inspire me. Yet this year, it resonates in a different way, due to the fact that currently I'm a dad. In 2014 when my spouse as well as I attended we knew we were expecting our initial child, no one else did at the time, however we did, and also I remember